We know that making money is very hard and making money online is very hard as well. Now, do you not enjoy meeting deadlines and working every day, the whole entire day, and doing anything that requires a lot of effort? Is that not your type of job? Maybe you want to do something less in your face, or maybe do nothing at all. Well, don't you worry, because in today's video, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about. With our new strategy for today, you're going to be able to make money while doing absolutely nothing at all. And the greatest thing about this method is that it is completely free and it is actually worldwide available. Now, we are going to be sharing with you a very important tip somewhere along today's video. Now, a lot of you guys don't usually finish our videos, which results to you guys not making any money at all. And we're also going to be walking you through the entire process step by step so that you don't get lost or confused. So make sure that you watch this entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you won't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired result. So for today, we are going to be talking about a very popular website to help us earn money. And we know very well that you've read about this website before, and even if you don't know how it works. Now, don't worry though, because that is exactly what we're here for. We are going to be teaching you guys how this website works. Now, our website for today is called SpyFu. To get to their website, just type in spyfu.com. And what this website actually does is that they help small businesses using Google Ads and other methods to be able to increase the traffic that goes into their website, all for a very low price. Now, you're probably thinking, how does this website work and what does it do exactly? Well, SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. They're gonna look for any domain, and then they're gonna search every single place that they've shown up on Google, every single keyword that they bought on Google Ads, and every single organic rank and every ad variation in the last 15 years. SpyFu is going to elevate your website's ranking. They're going to track your keyword ranking as well, and also is going to help you in making better connections for your business. So as you all probably know, the business world is very challenging, especially the online business universe. So making or creating the correct connections is going to help you make life so much easier. Now, it really doesn't matter what category you belong to. People and connections are always important to be able to be successful and to be able to earn money, which is why this website really goes into the success of other more successful websites, and then from learning that, it's going to help you follow what they did to get that success and their effective strategies, and to help make your website grow in the time being. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now, we know that may not seem like a little too much to really understand and absorb right now, but there is no need to worry, because all you have to do is stay to the very end of the video so you'll understand. You're not going to buy anything from the website, so you don't really need to do much of that, or you don't really need to know much about how it works exactly. Now, you're going to also not know about traffic or how to increase it. You're not even going to have to know what all the words mean. And if you want more information, then all you need to do is go on the website and read, and everything is there if you just want to have more of a background. Now, it's not going to be necessary, for you to know to earn money online, and it won't really affect how much you earn, reading the information on the website. It's not going to change anything. All you have to know is that what the website does is help other websites and advertisers on Google increase their traffic. Now, what we want you to do first is go on to spyfu.com, and once you are on their website, which we should be already, we want you to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then look and find affiliates. And then as you can see, SpyFu offers one of the best affiliate programs of all. And this is because they give out recurring commissions with a 40% payout indefinitely. Now, let's give you a more of a brief understanding of that. Imagine your referral is going to buy a product and will keep on subscribing to it for a whole entire year. You're going to earn 40% of its commission throughout the whole time of their subscription. Now, there are 3 things about their affiliate program that makes it almost impossible to not fall in love with it. It offers a 40% recurring commission, which is great. It also helps the clients earn a huge profit, which means that for you is that you can still earn passively without having to refer new people, because they would go as far as year or 2, you know? Then if you scroll down, you can see some of the most frequently asked questions and their answers and more information about their affiliate program. Now, SpyFu also says that they have a 365-day tracking cookie, which means not every visitor converts right then. The 365-day tracking cookie locks in your credit for the sale. Now imagine if you're able to refer someone to the website and then they do not sign up right away. Even if it takes them years and years to join, you are still going to earn the commission once they finally do. And last but not the least, you're going to get paid twice a month. You can get paid through PayPal or even wire transfer. Isn't that amazing? If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now, the customers of SpyFu, they stick around. With less than a 4% churn rate, their customers rarely leave. Your commissions, they hold real value. They also offer conversion rates that you will absolutely love, with an average conversion rate of 2.75%. SpyFu is optimized to convert your affiliate traffic, and this is exactly what's gonna get your passive income stream. First, you're gonna have to hover on the Start Earning Every Month button and click on it, and right here is where you're gonna create your account. And then you're going to generate and copy your unique affiliate link as well. Now, the sign-up process is very simple, and we know that all of you will be able to complete it without encountering any problems. And before we continue, we know that y'all are very excited to know exactly how much you can earn. Well, this website has 3 different pricing plans, which are the basic, professional, and team plans. And all of them, they offer monthly and annual plans. Now, their best seller is the professional plan, and it is neither too expensive or too cheap. Now imagine, bring 10 people to the website, and that all of those 10 people, they subscribe to the annual profession plan. This is alone, okay? This plan alone, these 10 people alone, is gonna make you earn more than $3,000. You can calculate it yourself if you're a little bit skeptical, but you just might as well trust us. Next, we're going to have to learn how to drive the traffic towards our affiliate link, and for that, we want you to go to Google. Now, make sure that your ad blockers turn off, because I know a lot of you guys have ad blockers because you don't like watching YouTube with ads and going on website with ads, but make sure your ad blockers turn off. It's not going to work. Then you're going to search for anything that you think will show you ads. For example, in this video, we type weight loss in the search bar. Then you're going to just type literally anything, and as you can see, a lot of ads are already popping up. And these advertisers are our targeted audience. Now it's time for our secret tip. First things first, do not open up any ad on the first page, and that's because they're already doing well and they've already paid a lot of money to get shown on the first page, so we are not going to focus on that. They'll most likely not need the services anymore. Second, we're going to go for the third or the fourth one, and the reason for this being is the same. We're sure that they want to get to the first or second pages, and to go to the ads and search for their contact information, you can find their social media accounts, or maybe their email addresses or their social media handles. You can find it there, and all you need to do is email them, explain how SpyFu works, how great SpyFu is, all of their offers and all of that. And the more people that you're able to contact and reach, the more chances of you getting the most money out of today's method. And if you ever run out of like keywords, you can actually go to infinitesuggest.com and just look up what you need in the same manner as we searched for weight loss. So all I need to do is do the method like over and over and over and over again, and just keep earning infinitely. You're never gonna run out of niches or categories, which means that you are never gonna run out of opportunities either. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you